Huron Blyth Fire, please respond to the address of 259 Drummond Street. That's 259 Drummond for strong smell of propane and a carbon monoxide alarm that's been set off. Hissing can be heard from the tank. Everyone is out of the residence and feeling okay. Again, that's 259 Drummond Street for a strong smell of propane and a carbon monoxide alarm going off. Time of first page, 1:52:59. Attention North Huron Blyth Fire, please respond to 259 Drummond Street between Combs Street and Mill Street. You're responding for a strong smell of propane and hissing can be heard from the tank. The carbon monoxide alarm is also going off at this time. Everyone is currently out of the residence and feeling okay. Again, that's 259 Drummond Street for a strong smell of propane and a carbon monoxide alarm. Time of second page, 1:53:47. Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire. This is an information page. Blyth Fire is responding to 259 Drummond Street for the strong smell of propane, hissing heard from tank, and a carbon monoxide alarm going off. Everyone is currently out of the residence. Again, this is an information page that Blyth Fire is responding to 259 Drummond Street for the strong smell of propane. Time of information page, 1:54:35.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Carport.
Go ahead, Car 4.
Car 4 acknowledges the page for the Blyth Station to Drummond Street. Blyth Station will be responding shortly.
Roger that, Car 4, you're acknowledging page at 1:55:14.
Fire dispatch, you can show Car 3 responding.
Roger that, Car 3, you're responding at 1:56:35.
Fire dispatch, you can show Car 3 on scene. Car 3's made contact with the homeowner.
Roger that, Car 3, you're on scene and you've made contact with the homeowner at 1:59:12.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 6.
Go ahead, Engine 6.
You can show Engine 6 responding. 4 firefighters belted.
Roger that, Engine 6, you're responding with 4 firefighters belted at 2:02:53.
Engine 6, Car 3. Go ahead, Car 3, this is 6. Just respond lights only to this address, 259 Drummond Street. Roger that, Car 2. Car 3. Fire dispatch, Car 3 will be command and mobile then.
Roger that, Car 2 in command and mobile at 2:03:51.
Fire dispatch, you can show Engine 6 on scene.
Roger that, Engine 6, you're on scene at 2:04:17.
Fire dispatch, you can also show hotel captain on scene.
Roger that, hotel captain on scene at 2:04:53. Fire dispatch to command call.
Go ahead, dispatch, this is command.
We've put ambulance on standby for this call. They're advising their closest unit is in Belgrave. Will they be required at this time?
I'll update here shortly.
Roger that.
Hotel command.
Go ahead, command.
How are you situated for patient care? Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, at this time, that's a negative on the EMS to respond. We do not require EMS at this time.
Roger that, command. You do not need ambulance to respond at this time. 21059.
Entry 1 command. Entry 1 command.
We've done a sweep on the main floor, 0 readings, continuing to the basement.
Confirm that, entry 1. Sweep of the main floor, 0 readings. Continuing the basement.
And fire dispatch copies as well.
Entry 1 command. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, you can note entry 1 has exited the structure. We have 0 readings across the board on both levels of the house. We believe it to be a faulty detector. We're just going to go back in and change that out.
Roger that, command. Everyone's exited the residence. You have 0 readings on both levels, believed to be a faulty detector. I'll be rechecking, and it's 0220.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, cause and determination, faulty CO alarm. We replaced the CO alarm. Everyone's cleared the structure. Scenes being left with the homeowner, calls being terminated. All units returning to Blyth Station.
Roger that, command. Cause of termination due to faulty CO alarm. The alarm has been replaced. You're clear. Everyone is clear of structure. Call terminated. All units clear and returning at 23901.